Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Batsumtimandu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase upodla manzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na Couple Switching Phones mtanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtsholo phakathi sendu King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Ufuna ukwenza sure uthela itswayi phakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a Billy King mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another banger. As you all know, I'm not alone. I'm with my son. Welcome Dlamini, Shendele Bobo, Shipopo, please, Baba, oh, halalala, oh, solo, oh, Shipopo, kaka. Take me to Wabafeba, yo!
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana Kings batsumtimandu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase upodla manzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na Couple Switching Phones mtanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtsholo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Kimangandile?
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Hayibo. Awumfana umlongo. Awumfana umhloshana njengekhetla lomlungu.
Nandi.
Awumfana umlungu. Sanibona.
How's it?
Ngiyaphila first. Mina igama lami nguGinger. So I come from school. Ngwenya University. So we are going around asking people if they're okay, are they feeling safe in the new South Africa, do they wish, no, he's my brother, we come from the same school. Ubani kamo sisi?
Mathapelo.
Sis Mathapelo? Rudy.
Awe.
Rudy, you speak?
Yeah, I speak.
How?
Speak a better.
Yeah. So are you guys dating?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Sisi, ungathi no ithanda ngobhuti Rudy?
Ya yazi uRudy ne. Uthulile kakhulu. Uthulile yana enomuntu okhathalelayo kakhulu.
Oh, nice. So loving and caring. So when are you taking Rudy to visit you in Eastern Cape? Are you from Eastern Cape?
No, Free State.
Free State. Oh, ndikuva uthetha. Free State. Wabua. When are you taking Rudy to visit you in the Free State?
Maybe December. Ne Rudy.
We'll see. I mean, I've been planning to go because I'm also from Polokwane, Limpopo.
Serious?
So I took a Easter. So, yeah.
Rudy. So now, Rudy, what is it that you love about Mathapelo?
Hey, look at that smile. Smile for them, baby. She's a very, very warm, loving person.
Yeah.
She's kind.
Sure.
She's loving.
Perfect.
Mother of my future babies.
Mother of a So, sister, ka uyibuka ifuture injani? Is it to sit bright? Nizibona nikuphi you and Rudy?
Hakshebile nna le go trea hole. Hakshebile.
Yeah.
Ke bona re ya hole.
Very far.
Yeah.
Power to us. No, it's a good thing. And I'm happy, lucky for you, Rudy. So, Rudy, I want to know, in a scale of 100, how much you trust your woman?
120.
120. You're breaking the scale, Rudy.
120.
So, in a scale of 100, how much you trust yourself?
1,000.
1,000.
1,000.
Is there anyone you are seeing besides sister here?
No.
No, only her.
Only.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
100?
I'm sure.
Okay. What would you do if you find out that she's cheating on you?
It will never happen. It will not happen. It will not happen. Nah.
No power to
No, it
that. Is there anything you want to apologize about to her? That you've done in the past and she doesn't?
I've not done anything. It's just my temper sometimes.
Yeah.
But there's nothing else to apologize about.
For sure.
Why are you moving away, baby? Like you're expecting something.
No, she's listening.
Like she's expecting to hear. There's nothing.
Sister, in a scale of 100, ungathi umthemba kangakanani Rudy?
95.
95. Nice.
95.
Okay. Wena uzithemba kangakanani?
Ay. 1,000 botwana.
1,000.
1,000.
Breaking the scale now, sister. Ukhona omunye umuntu othandana naye besides uRudy?
Okay.
Thandana naye kuphela. What would you do uma ungafind out ukuthi uRudy uyakuchithela?
Angazi.
Ne?
Angazi.
Ish. Kunzima ngaba nzima.
Ngaba nzima.
Awazi.
Angazi. Ngaba nzima.
No, uyamthanda kodwa ne?
Kakhulu.
Ucela umtshela ukuthi uyamthanda umuphi yakhe. Hug it out, hug it out. Rudy! Hayi Nina, stop, public. Public. Thank you so much guys for your time. We're also going to be moving on because we are going on the other side. We want to do a kike with the me and my brothers we want to start pedaling around the dam because now we know the original people from the dam, they already left, so it's gonna be only us darkies now. Darkies are taking over the white dam, so yeah man. But before I leave, I can't just leave like this. Before I leave, there's a thing that we do.
Give us something.
Yes, please.
Right.
The thing before I leave, there's something that we do. It's called loyalty test. Loyalty test is whereby we're switching phones for 60 seconds. You, my sister, Tembelihle, right? Matapelo, you give Rudy your phone. You, Rudy, you give Matapelo your phone so that he can check on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, who you're flirting with. You said you are not flirting with anyone because you are dating. Same applies to you. Angithi awunankinga wena sister. And futhi urate. Ngicela unginike ifone yakho ngokusheshsha.
Why are you laughing, baby?
Yeah.
Your phone.
For real.
Yeah.
But this is childish, guys. Like,
How?
Your phone, baby.
Why now? Why now? We've been having nice conversation. They were not childish. Thank you. Stop, Rudy. No. You're gonna get a chance to unlock. Sister, come this side. Rudy, come this side. All right, guys. My name is King Ching, and we're gonna start with your phone, sister.
No problem.
Thank you. Please open it for Rudy. This one doesn't need any intro. Rudy is in a rush. Please hold. Okay. Check for me WhatsApp there. We are on WhatsApp right now. I'm about to tap the show on this.
what must I look for?
Yeah, WhatsApp. Okay, stop. When I say type, you're going to type here on search.
Okay.
When you see your name here, tell me. When you see other guys' name here, you'll tell me because those guys will be the one that will be pressing Tembelihle. Matapelo will be penetrating Matapelo. So,
Nazi.
all right, guys, we're on WhatsApp right now. About to tap that show on this. Type lapho uthi I love you. WhatsApp. Ikasi abakushayeli wena njengoba usiso o short base. All right, kanje.
Bayangishela kodwa angivumi.
Awuvumi. Abatshela ukuthi unomuntu.
Mina.
Rudy, talk to me. What do you see?
Her mother.
Her mother.
Me.
You. Okay. Still clean, right?
Tabo. Tabi saying a cousin.
Okay.
Mm.
Delete. Type then say sex so that we will see who is talking with her about sex. Sister, uyixoxela nje ngocansi nilibonge nilithokozela.
Yeah, mangixoxa naye.
Oh,
There's nothing.
nothing. Delete. Type say money. Ubani okuphi imali?
Imali ngiyayicela kumama nakuye.
Why are you asking your mother for money?
It's her mother, bruh.
Why? Who am I then? What does the mother think of me? We talked about this.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
The mother and
Okay. Delete there.
cousin.
Type come outside. Uyawudlala Facebook.
Ngiyawuhlela.
Good.
Nothing.
Nothing. Delete. Put an emoji of a brinjal, benches, and water that says far.
It's just me.
You naughty. Go on Facebook, straight to Messenger. Type for me there, I love you, and put a heart at the end. If it says no results, tell me. If it shows unread messages, tell me, because we can't open it. What is it?
Nothing.
Nothing. Uyawudlala Instagram. How do you feel to see that she's a simple person like this? There is nothing.
That's what I expected. That's why I love her. She's
For sure.
loyal.
Ne? You can give her phone. No, I was saying you can give her a
Sorry, bruh.
you nice phone, bruh.
Eish.
What? What, Rudy? Rudy, is there anything you want to tell us? Go to WhatsApp, Sissy. So, Rudy, what's wrong? You look like you're concerned. Here's WhatsApp. Mangithi type uzotype la.
Okay.
Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshele. Makuvela igama lezinye impisi la ungitshele ngoba le impisi kuzobe kuyizo amankenjane la wazobedla.
Yeah.
Yabo. All right. Rudy, you okay?
I'm good. Bruh.
All right. Is there any words you wanna say? Sister, type lapho uthi I love you. Rudy, tell me, you are a good guy. I know ladies are dying to be with you in Kasi. So what do you do when things are going that way?
It's not going that way, bruh.
Which way is it going then?
Look, my Kasi, everyone knows we're together.
Lana kuvela mina no Shaniqua Shaniqua. Who's Shaniqua?
Ubani lo shy lo?
Shaniqua.
Shaniqua.
Yeah,
Shaniqua.
Shaniqua. Who's Shaniqua?
Ubani lo shakwi
Shaniqua.
kwa? Uba ukwa?
Ubani kwa? Who's kwa?
Who's kwa? Why are you saying sister? But why ushani kwa?
Yabona
umfana.
ubhalile.
Umfana.
Umfana.
Ngena kuyo Shaniqua. My brother, who is Shaniqua? Who's this guy?
Shane.
Ushane. Oh, Ushane igama lakhe. Uyacacisela ke manje uthi again uShaniqua, Ushane. Yeah? Kwenzakalani ngawe noShane? Type lapho uthi mani sibone ukuthi uShane uyavela. Mfethu, wena noShane ithini? Umkhozi uthi uyamthanda. And noShane uthi uyakuthanda. So Shane love you, you love Shane, you love us.
Shane is a bra.
Shane is a bra. Yes. So what's going on between uyavela?
So na into.
Shaniqua futhi.
Yeah.
Shane.
Just send 1,000. If I go uye uShaniqua.
Shy. My brother, can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Please talk to your woman. Because right now, what we see there is going different ways. You and Shane are in a deep conversation, and you can see there is something going on between you and Shane. Are you and Shane dating? You are fucking. Did you use a condom then? Because you can't say you and Shane are not. Ngena la ithombe futhi sister.
Can I leave her?
No, but your woman wants to know who's Shane.
We will talk about it, guys.
What is it that you will talk about? No, my answer, sister. Nanga answer lo.
Why Shane send you
His pictures. Eqimbile.
naked ones?
My brother.
Can we go?
No. We don't want to go.
Answer me.
No. We need you. Yeah, Mbambe.
Please answer
No.
me. Why Shane send you pictures?
Who's Shane?
Who's Shane?
What is?
No, Shane.
What are you doing with Shane? Why you didn't tell us that you and Shane are already in this? How long have you been? No.
We can talk about it.
No. Where? Alone, private. So the two of them shaya.
You know what?
Baby,
guys?
What
Talk-
now?
You know what?
Yes, what? Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah.
You know I love you.
Okay.
Right?
But
I'm bisexual.
why you probably my sister? So when you've been having fun, you've been having left and right on
I
your
tried
side.
to tell you.
You tried
You
it.
try.
I talk to those women. I ask all the time.
No, you didn't try enough.
Don't you see something different with me?
How? You were supposed to tell her, not ask
I'm
her
not
what
a
don't you see.
single man.
Yes. So you were supposed to pull her. You are wrong. How long have you been frying Shaniqua? Shane, how long have you guys been together?
Before you.
Before me.
I thought it could change. I thought you would change me. My love for you would change me.
Wena.
Can we go, please?
No.
Where are you? No.
This is our thing. It's not the public thing. Come. Let's go.
Hey.
No.
No. Let's
My phone.
Okay, you know what? Please, can you call Shane for me now?
No.
I already told you what to do.
No, sister. No, sister. Usazoqhubeka nenjole nalo njengoba uwazi ukuthi yena uphinde athanda uShane futhi. Yeah. Yeah.
Phela ngeke
Because
maphindela no Shane.
he's his tembu now. He's on his tembu.
know what
It's a polygamist what you are doing. It's a polygamist and it's different yours. You are
I
powerful.
can't help it.
You can't.
Maybe I can't.
No, he's not changing you.
I have
You are the
nothing.
one who made him a fool. You made her a fool. She didn't know about this. You put her
I'm
through
trying
this.
to explain to her, bruh.
Explain.
I can't help my emotions, baby. I love you. But also,
Why are you explaining what else you're supposed to apologize? Because you the one who put her on this. She didn't know about this.
Shane.
Shane.
Shaniqua.
No. Where are you taking her? Beniaphi sister. Usazohamba naye?
I'm done.
You are
I'm
done.
I love you.
Ow!
I want-
Why are you getting done quick?
I want to be.
She's the one who's supposed to talk.
You talk.
Usazoqhubeka
No.
Do you love me, baby?
No. No, she said.
I don't know you anymore.
Yeah, me too.
You just know something more about me.
I don't know you anymore.
This, baby.
What?
This is just a
Don't baby
small
me.
thing that you know about now.
You're supposed to
But
apologize,
I'm
bruh.
sorry, me. I'm sorry.
You're supposed to apologize,
I'm
bruh.
sorry.
How can you say I'm sorry on a huge thing like
I'm
this?
sorry, bruh. Keep quiet. You're not part of this, please.
But I am here. I'm the one who helped
Baby,
her
go.
to find out that you are the.
Baby, let's
You
go.
see, you keep on touching. Sister Mchele, tell him.
I'm going.
You go.
Oh.
Fuck all of you.
Me too. You think I'm Shaniqua wena, eh? Eh?
What do you want to do?
Me.
What are you going to do?
Me.
You think I'm scared of your car?
Me!
Say-
Come, try me, bro. Me, yeah, come back. Angimsabi lo. Can I tell you something? I'm not scared of you.
I don't care, bruh. Fuck you.
Sister, indoda yakhe angithuki.
Ngiyamuzwa but.
Bring a later car.
No, she doesn't want you.
Go and see Shane.
I need you
Shaniqua.
said to us, you are putting a middle finger to us wena. How?
Hi Lena.
Sister, ishuthi ubhuti befika shaye wena. Naphinda yoshaya.
No, ayiphinda yoshaya.
Kodwa mbona ukuthi une genuine love yena ngawe. Inkinga nalento nanokuthi futhi ubhayo akakwazi ukuyicontrol ushiya. Uzosithola isikhathi sokuthi umxolele because abantu abakanje abayikhetheli. Lento kuthiwa ifika njengephupho ukubona.
Angiboni yazi uthi ngizomxolela cause bekumele ungitshelile at least.
Uyasho ukuthi ubeyitshela ukuthi uthando lakho lizomshintsha. Ubekubona ngathi ustrong. Yini sister kwaba isangoma yini?
But
Na kuphela mhlambe ubebona ukuthi ukulala nawe kuyomshintsha.
somtshintsha kanjani ukulala nami?
Sesikantweni ubani kahle. Unamandla khona yena wafihlile.
Anginawo amandla, anginaniksi.
Ubhuti ubekholelwa ukuthi ungamshintsha. Ngicela ungibeke isandla ongcono sisi. Mhlambe ikhona into engashintsha.
Niksi.
Zithembe sisi. Amandla shutha khona emebona na umfana omkhaladi. Sorry sizoyithola enye indoda yezo. Hayi ungahamba sister.
Yo,
Hamba sokugada nje yangabuya ezokusanganela.
alright.
Sisunawo wena amandla. Khona akhona. Ya deep. Akwazi ukushintsha. Utshanikwa. Hayi. Take me home.
It's your boy King Ginger Cream Della Cream intwana yase-Kings bathi umtimandi umabuye ubambe olunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana Na Couple Switching Phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers, abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne-CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Ke Mangandile?
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake